Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to tell you an interesting topic. Today's interesting topic is Top 10 Cleanest Cities of India. The list of Top 10 Cleanest Cities of India was proclaimed by the Central Government of India. It is a nationwide survey of Swachh Sarveksha 2016 under the Swachh Bharat Mission. The list of top 10 cleanest cities of India was announced by Urban Development Minister Mr. M. Venkaiah Naidu, whom belongs to the ruling party of BJP. If we have a look at the list, number 10, Greater Mumbai. Mumbai, also known as Bombay, is the capital city of the Indian state of Maharashtra. It is one of the most populous urban regions in the world and the second most populous metropolitan area in India, with a population of 20.7 million as of 2011 India census. The Greater Mumbai metropolitan region includes the cities of Mumbai, Navi Mumbai, Thane, Bhiwandi and Palghar. The Greater Mumbai was ranked as 10th cleanest city of India. Number 9, Pimpri Chinchwad. Pimpri Chinchwad is part of Pune metropolitan city in the state of Maharashtra. It is the urban agglomeration of Pune. It consists of the towns of Pimpri, Chinchwad, Nigdi, Akurdi, Rawet, Bhosari, Pimpul Gurav, Moshi, Poonawale and Sangavi, which are governed by a common municipal body, so called the Pimpri Chinchwad Municipal Corporation or PCMC. As of 2011 India census, Pimpri Chinchwad had a population of 17.29 lakhs. Pimpri Chinchwad was ranked as 9th cleanest city of India. Number 8, Gangtok. Gangtok is a municipality, the capital and the largest town of the Indian state of Sikkim. It is also the headquarters of the East Sikkim district. Gangtok is located in the eastern Himalayan range at an elevation of 1650 meters. According to the provisional population totals 2011 census of India, the population of Gangtok Municipal Corporation has been estimated to be 98,658. The Gangtok subdivision of the East Sikkim district had a population of 2,81,293. Gangtok was ranked as 8th cleanest city of India. Number 7, Rajkot. Rajkot is the 4th largest city in the state of Gujarat after Ahmedabad, Surat and Vadodara. Rajkot is the center of the Saurashtra region of Gujarat. Rajkot is 35th largest urban agglomeration in India with a population more than 1.2 million as of 2015. Rajkot is the 7th cleanest city of India and it is also the 22nd fastest growing city in the world. Number 6. Surat. Surat is a port city previously known as Suryapur. It is the economical capital and former princely state in the Indian state of Gujarat. It is the 8th largest city and 9th largest urban agglomeration in India. Surat is the 6th cleanest city of India and 4th fastest growing city of the world. Surat is famous for its food. Number 5. Visakhapatnam. Visakhapatnam is the largest city both in terms of area and population in the Indian state of Andhra Pradesh. It is located on the coast of Bay of Bengal in the northeastern region of the state. It is the administrative headquarters of Visakhapatnam district and also the financial capital of Andhra Pradesh. As of 2011 India's census, the population of the city was recorded as 20.35 lakhs, making it the 14th largest city in the country and 4th largest city in South India. The Visakhapatnam metropolitan region is the 9th most populous in India with a population of 53.40 lakhs. Visakhapatnam was ranked as 5th cleanest city of India. Number 4. New Delhi. New Delhi is the capital of India and one of Delhi city's 11 districts. New Delhi has been selected as one of the 100 Indian cities to be developed as a smart city under Prime Minister of India Mr. Narendra Modi's flagship Smart Cities Mission. New Delhi was ranked as 4th cleanest city of India. Number 3. Tiruchirappalli. Tiruchirappalli, also called Tiruchi or Trichy, is a city in the Indian state of Tamil Nadu. It is the 4th largest municipal corporation and the 4th largest urban agglomeration in the state. According to the 2011 India census, Tiruchirappalli had a population of 8.47 lakhs. Tiruchirappalli was ranked as 3rd cleanest city of India. Number 2. Chandigarh. Chandigarh is a city and a union territory of India that serves as the capital of the Indian states of Haryana and Punjab. As a union territory, the city is governed directly by the Union Government of India and is not part of either state. As of 2011 India census, Chandigarh had a population of 10.55 lakhs. Chandigarh was ranked as 2nd cleanest city of India. Number 1. Mysore. Mysore, officially renamed as Mysuru, is the 3rd most populous and also the 3rd largest city in the state of Karnataka. Mysuru is noted for its places including the Mysore Palace and for the festivities that take place during the Dasara festival, when the city receives a large number of tourists. According to the provisional results of the 2011 census of India, Mysore had a population of 8.87 lakhs. Mysore was ranked as number 1 cleanest city of India. This is about today's interesting topic. For more interesting updates, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for being with me. Have a fantastic day. Jai Hind.